Today you will learn about national movement of India, the partition, independence from 1939 to 1947. Okay, in this lesson we will learn about the last part of this lesson. In this lesson you will learn about the partition and migrants and the assassination of Gandhiji and the newly princely states were integrated in Indian Union. Integrated in Indian Union. Okay. When the formation of Pakistan, new Muslim state, means here country, new Muslim country. At the time, it was how it was the situation. All the people were unhappy and painful, unimaginable situation. This, understand? Most of the people were lost their lives, lost their wealth, and they can lost their homelands. Understand? When was happened is Pakistan got independence in August 14 in 1947. Okay. At the time, riots broke out. Riots means they are fighting each other. Hindus and Muslims were fighting each other. Understand? They were forced to send them. They were living either side of the borders. At the time, they felt unhappy. Understand? How many people were moved? Nearly 1.5 crore people forced to move out 2 to 3 of their homelands and villages and cities. Understand? Nearly 2 to 5 lakhs people were killed and burnt. They are harassed also. Understand? Gandhiji felt unhappy at the time of independence of India. When did we get independence? August 15, 1947. He was not celebrated that Independence Day. He was in the Delhi area. Understand? At the same time, Gandhiji felt unhappy. He wanted to control. Riots broke out in Naukali area in Bengal region. Congress party, for the initiative of the Gandhiji and Nehru, Congress party passed a resolution for the minorities, rights of the minorities, and the Congress party did not accept two nations and a partition of the country, even though forced to accept that because of due to violations spread in the country. Riots broke out, strikes. All the Hindus and Muslims were hatred at the time in the border areas. So that's why finally Congress party accepted this two nations theory. Even though Congress party strongly believed that India would be a democratic and secular country, means after independence they provide equal rights to all the people of country, irrespective of their culture, irrespective of their religion and other. Understand how the people moved while at the time of partition. When the partition time, the people moved to their places, trains, some members by walking, some members. You can see these pictures, what happened at the time. Understand? Now we will learn about
Assassination of Gandhiji.
how it was happened. Gandhiji was unhappy at the time. At the time of independence, unsuccessful attempt made on his life just before he died. When it was happened, 1948, January 28. At the time, Gandhiji participated in religious meeting. What he said to the people of the country. Gandhiji said that if I am died by the bullet of a madman, I must do so smiling. There must be no anger with me. God must be in my heart, on my lips. This was said by the Gandhiji. Finally, Gandhiji shooted 3 bullets by the God's sake. Understand? In the year 1948, January 30 at the time. At the time, Gandhiji, what was the last words of Gandhiji? Hey Ram, he said that. Understand? Actually, Godse, writer, belonged to Mumbai, and he was Hindu only, not Muslim. RSS member. Understand? He was the member of Hindu Mahasabha also. And last topic, princely states, integration of the princely states. After independence, most of the princely states were there. Mostly 550 princely states were there. At the time, they wanted to rule their self-rule, even after independence also. Under the leadership of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, at the time Home Minister, he passed a law and rule. Under the leadership of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, all the princely states wanted to unite. He approached to all the princely states leaders and the rulers. He approached, and finally almost all the states, princely states, were merged and joined in India. This is known as Join India program. If the princely states not joined voluntarily. At the time, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel sent a troops and army to forcefully to join in Indian Union. Sardar Patel was the in charge of this unification of India. In July 1947, he began discussing with the princes the necessity of to join India. Understand? He made discussions. Finally, all the princely states were joined in Indian Union except Kashmir, Hyderabad, Junagadh. By 15th August 1947, all the states were joined except Jammu and Kashmir, Hyderabad and Junagadh. Even though after the next 2 years, the Kashmir, Hyderabad and Junagadh, these also had agreed to sign the agreement, join in India. Understand? The government of the princely states were taken over and the princes were given pensions. Pension funds, pensions means money. It is called as privy purse. Very important. To meet their personal expenses. Understand? New administrative units were created by the merging territories, means the places. And finally, the first phase of this process of creating the new states of India went on till 1956. In the year 1971, Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India. She was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Belonged to Congress Party. The government of India abolished the privy purses and titles used by the former princely families. Very, very important. When it was happened? 1971. The modern India, you know this, how it was there at the time of independence. In 1947, August 15, India was a very poor nation with low human development indicators and bad infrastructure facilities, and colonialism means Britishers ruled our country nearly 2 centuries. They blocked development of the country and tried to devastate the self-confidence of its people. Building a modern self-dependent and equitable nation in India was both a challenge and an opportunity. Thank you. Observe this map, India before and after partition. Okay, you can observe clearly. See that where is Junagadh? Okay, East Pakistan, West Pakistan. Now you will learn about exam corner questions. One word answer type. First question. When was Gandhiji assassinated? Who assassinated Mahatma Gandhiji? 2 political parties in Britain during the Second World War. Which party was in the favor of Indians? Whom did Winston Churchill send to India to compromise Gandhiji and the Congress party? Understand? try to answer this all the questions. Okay, let's go to another questions. Who was the leader of Muslim League? Which political party wanted to rule India as long as possible? Who wrote the song सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा? When and where was Muslim League formed? Who led the Quit India in 1949 August 8? Which party led struggle of farmers of Telangana and Hyderabad? What were the last words of Gandhiji before his death? Who is the last Viceroy of India? Which state was integrated after a policy action? Who spoke of need for a Northwest India Muslim state? Means Pakistan. If I am died by the bullet of a madman, I must do so smiling. There must be no anger with me. God must be in my heart and on my lips. Who spoke these words? Who was the responsible for the integration of princely states? Who committed that would not be ending imperialism, it would be creating another imperialism on the issue of Pakistan or the partition of India and the British actions? It is quite clear that you are today the one person in the world who can prevent. Who to Gandhi addressed these words? మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.